Just keep getting better and better as they go along. Alright, there's a couple more.
This one's called Munchkin. I wonder what this is gonna sound like. And I don't know if you guys know, but I'm just trying these out. This is my first time trying these out. So I have no idea what these sound like when I'm recording this video. And I think that's a really fun thing to do. Alright, this one's called Nasal.
Oh, I'm so nasally. I'm so nasally. I'm a little nasally right now. Next one is Old Wife.
This is my wash. This is my wife. I know that one's gonna sound like, oh boy. I'll stick with that for now.